Career experiences have an impact on the characteristics and competencies of leaders. The skills model suggests that experiences acquired in the course of a leader's career influences their knowledge and skills to solve complex problems. Leaders can be helped through challenging job assignments, mentoring, appropriate training, and hands-on experience in solving new and unusual problems. Leaders learn and develop higher levels of conceptual capability if the kinds of problems they confront are progressively more complex and more long term as they ascend the organizational hierarchy. Similarly, upper level leaders, as opposed to first line supervisors, develop new competencies because they're required to address problems that are more novel, that are more poorly defined, and that demand more human interaction. As these people move through their careers, higher levels of problem solving and social judgment skills become increasingly important. So, the skills and knowledge of leaders are shaped by their career experiences as they address increasingly complex problems in an organization. This notion of developing leadership skills is unique and quite different from other leadership perspectives. Leaders can develop their abilities through experience according to the skills model.